Pretty cool, huh? Too bad for my house. Take note, that's coming under the roots. Again, maybe I shouldn't be out here doing this. Now what do you think? Does it make sense the township gets to dump all this water in my property? I don't think so. Well, look at the bright side. I get the largest swimming pool in the world. Let's go to the source. Now we're going to go to the source. That would be White's Road we're heading towards. There's so much for my pipe, huh? Well, the good news is, the trouble with the mud I washed into is washed out. This is where we were taking pictures yesterday, showing how it was all washed out. What do you think, huh? I always wanted to have waterfront property, stream front. Too bad it. Yes, we wonder why that tree fell over, huh? In case you're wondering where it's coming from. Falling over. Well,